To use Apple Pay NFC payments, start by setting up the service on your Apple device. This involves opening the Wallet app and following the prompts to add a credit or debit card to your account. You will need to enter your card details and verify your identity with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make NFC payments. To do this, make sure your device has Bluetooth and NFC enabled, and that you are running the latest version of iOS. When you are ready to make a payment, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. For security, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number on your device or on Apple's servers. Instead, it uses a unique device account number to represent your card. This means that even if your device is lost or stolen, your card details will remain secure. When using Apple Pay, it is a good idea to keep your device and the Wallet app up to date, as this will ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. You should also be aware of your surroundings when making a payment, and keep your device close to you to prevent unauthorized transactions. In addition to using Apple Pay in stores, you can also use it to make online and in-app purchases. To do this, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and authenticate the transaction as you would with a contactless payment in a store. By following these tips, you can use Apple Pay to make safe and convenient NFC payments. Remember to always keep your device secure and be aware of your surroundings when making a payment. With Apple Pay, you can enjoy the convenience of contactless payments while maintaining the security of your card details.